Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to drive on one of the most popular roads in Portmore, Jamaica. We're going to drive on Port Henderson Road. Now this road was recently renovated, and while it was being renovated, a lot of confusion and dust. A lot of persons complained about the dust from the road, but luckily it's over and the road has been renovated. So we're going to take a tour of Port Henderson Road. This is Port Henderson Road, but this section of the road was not renovated. It's the section by the stoplight towards the roundabout, from the stoplight straight ahead towards the roundabout. Now this is a very popular section of Portmore. Portmore has a very large population. A lot of persons live in Portmore. Okay, so if we turn right here, we go on to George Lee Boulevard, and that takes us back to the Portmore Mall. So if you look on the left now, you're going to see a lot of establishments, stores, restaurants, very busy area, a lot of malls, nightclubs, everything you can think of is over here. On the right is a Bridgeport community or neighborhood, very large residential area. Alright, you can see the road was recently renovated, and if you look straight ahead, you'll see potholes on the road. Unbelievable. This road is not even renovated 2 years yet. I don't even know if it's been a year. And look at the potholes in the road. And when Alright, they put in the boardwalk in the middle. You can see the fancy bricks. On the right is a Port Henderson Primary School, and on the left you have a lot of business places, tire warehouse, Jamaica Plumbing Supplies. Here is another pothole in the road. They dug up the brick. It's very disheartening when you have these new roads, and as soon as they're finished, you see potholes and the road is dug up because of some pipe. And most times it's Water Commission that digs up the road, and they have, I guess they are not responsible for paving the road or leaving the road in the state it was before they dug it up. So you also always have when they dig up the road from the state the road is left in. Alright, so if we go left here now at the roundabout, we go to Hellshire, Greater Portmore. We're going to continue around the roundabout and take a tour of Port Henderson Road from this side. Alright, so if we turn left here, we go on to Nagahead Drive, and if we go right, we go back onto Port Henderson Road. we turn left here, we're going to Newland Road. But we are on Port Henderson Road. Yep, this definitely looks like Water Commission's work. This is how they leave the roads when they're finished. On the right is Port Henderson Plaza, hardware and number rapid true value. A lot of business establishments on the right, and on the left is the Bridgeport community or neighborhood. Very large residential area. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us on Port Henderson Road. We're now going to turn left onto George Lee Boulevard and head towards the Portmore Mall. Remember to leave your comments in the section below, also to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day guys.